Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn how we can easily download and install the ExpressZip software on Windows. So it's very easy. At first, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type ExpressZip and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Here it is. Click on it. Here is the official website. Okay, now you can directly click on download to download it. The exe file is only 3 MB. Let's wait. Now double click on the exe file, minimize. Now the setup started. These are the license terms which got by default selected. I accept the license terms. Click next. Now the installation started. Here it is, the installation completed successfully. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install ExpressZip on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.